Breaking free from laziness, John's journey to success. In a small town, there lived a young man named John. John was known for his laid back attitude. He would often spend his days lounging on the couch, scrolling through his phone, and putting off important tasks. Despite his potential, his laziness held him back. One sunny morning, John's mother called him for breakfast. John, it's time to get up. You need to start looking for a job, she said. John groaned and pulled the blanket over his head. Later, Mom. I'll do it later, he mumbled. His mother sighed. She loved John dearly, but she knew his laziness was becoming a problem. She decided to have a serious talk with him. That evening, she sat down with John. John, you have so much potential. But if you keep putting things off, you'll never achieve your dreams, she said gently. John looked at his mother. He knew she was right, but overcoming laziness seemed like an impossible task. I know, Mom. I just don't know where to start, he admitted. His mother smiled and said, start small. Set a goal for each day. It doesn't have to be big, just something to get you moving. John nodded, determined to change. The next morning, he woke up early and made his bed. It was a small task, but it gave him a sense of accomplishment. Encouraged by this small success, John decided to create a daily schedule. He set aside time for job searching, exercise, and personal development. It was challenging at first, but he soon found that having a routine helped him stay focused. One day, while browsing job listings, John came across an opening at a local tech company. The position was perfect for him, but he hesitated. Doubts crept into his mind. What if I'm not good enough? What if I fail? He thought. Remembering his mother's words, John decided to apply anyway. I'll never know unless I try, he told himself. He spent the next few days preparing for the interview. He researched the company, practiced common interview questions, and even picked out a professional outfit. The morning of the interview, John felt nervous but also excited. It was his first step towards overcoming his laziness and achieving his dreams. The interview went well, and a few days later, John received a call from the company. Congratulations, John. We'd like to offer you the position, the hiring manager said. John couldn't believe it. He had done it. His hard work and determination had paid off. He thanked the manager and immediately called his mother to share the good news. Mom, I got the job, he exclaimed. His mother was overjoyed. I'm so proud of you, John. This is just the beginning. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll achieve great things, she said. John started his new job with enthusiasm. At first, the workload was overwhelming, and he often felt tempted to revert to his old lazy habits. But he remembered his mother's advice and took things one step at a time. He arrived at work early, stayed organized, and asked for help when needed. His colleagues noticed his dedication and were impressed by his work ethic. Over time, John began to enjoy his work and looked forward to new challenges. One day, his boss called him into the office. John, you've been doing an excellent job. I'd like to offer you a promotion, she said. John was thrilled. He had come so far from his lazy days on the couch. He thanked his boss and accepted the promotion. It was a testament to his hard work and the progress he had made. With his new responsibilities, John continued to grow both professionally and personally. He took on new projects, learned new skills, and even mentored new employees. He found that staying busy and setting goals kept his laziness at bay. Outside of work, John also made positive changes. He started exercising regularly, eating healthier, and spending more time with his family and friends. He realized that a balanced life was key to maintaining his motivation. One evening, John decided to visit his old school. He wanted to share his story with the students and inspire them to overcome their own challenges. As he stood in front of the classroom, he felt a sense of fulfillment. Hi, everyone. My name is John, and I want to tell you about my journey, he began. I used to be lazy and unmotivated. I spent my days doing nothing and avoiding responsibilities. But then, I decided to make a change. I started with small steps and gradually built momentum. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. The students listened intently as John shared his experiences. He told them about his struggles, his successes, and the lessons he had learned along the way. Don't let laziness hold you back, he said. Set goals, stay focused, and believe in yourself. If I can do it, so can you. After his talk, several students approached John to thank him. Your story really inspired me, one student said. I'm going to start setting goals and working towards my dreams. John smiled, grateful for the opportunity to make a difference. He knew that his journey was far from over, but he was excited for the future. He had learned that overcoming laziness was not a one time event, but a continuous process of self improvement. As the sun set over the town, John walked home with a renewed sense of purpose. He was no longer the lazy young man who had once avoided responsibility. He was now a driven, motivated individual who was ready to face whatever challenges came his way. John's story spread throughout the town, inspiring others to make positive changes in their lives. His journey proved that with determination, hard work, and a little bit of support, anyone can overcome laziness and achieve their dreams. And so, John continued to thrive both in his career and personal life. He never forgot the lessons he had learned and always strived to be the best version of himself. His story became a beacon of hope for those struggling with laziness, reminding them that change is possible and success is within reach.